Mac Mini 2018 proves once and for all that Apple hasn't forgotten about the small form factor Mac. Despite being a fan favorite, the Mac Mini hasn't seen a substantial update for more than 4 years, but with the new Mac Mini, the smallest Mac is competitive once more. On paper, the new Mac Mini was worth the long wait, with Apple claiming that it's 5 times faster than the last Mac Mini. This performance increase is thanks to some impressive spec bumps, including a maximum RAM configuration of 64GB with a 6-core processor. Apple is now marketing the Mac Mini as a media creation tool, with the company claiming that it's up to 30 times faster at heavy encoding than the 2014 Mac Mini. It also features plenty of ports around the back. The Mac Mini is rocking 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports to pick up the slack. This year's Apple Mac Mini starts at $799 and tops out at $1,099 with the preset configurations. If you change any of the components, the price will also change, which gives you some flexibility when it comes to balancing power with budget. If you need a Mac for creative applications, the new Mac Mini is a more affordable route, compared to something like the iMac Pro, which will set you back a whopping $4,999 for the base model. Fans of the compact, no-nonsense designs of previous Mac Minis will be pleased to learn that the new Mac Mini pretty much keeps that intact, with the same small, squarish metal design that measures 7.7 by 7.7 by 1.4 inches and weighs slightly heavier than the last Mac Mini at 2.9 pounds, compared to the older Mac Mini's weight of 2.6 pounds. Ports-wise, the Apple Mac Mini comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, an HDMI 2.0 port, 2 USB-A ports, audio jack and gigabit Ethernet, along with a 10 gigabits Ethernet option. On the back corner there's a power button and the increasingly rare 3.5mm headphone jack as well. The new Mac Mini has desktop-grade 8th generation Intel Coffee Lake processors in quad and hexa-core models, so we had high hopes for the computing power. The new square-shaped desktop delivers 5 times the amount of performance over its predecessor, at least according to Apple. The quad and hexa-core Intel Core processors with turbo boost speeds of up to 4.6 GHz, and support for up to 2666 MHz will definitely keep the 2018 Mac Mini feeling fast and responsive for most tasks, and allows it to handle multiple tasks at once, thanks to the huge amount of memory on offer.